It gives me much pleasure to be here today and to welcome you to this forum, where you as researchers, fisheries managers, and industry members and stakeholders will be learning, sharing, and discuss some of the latest research on sea cucumber fishery in Fiji. I understand that it has been more than 3 years since the Pacific Community published a National State of Fishery Report for Fiji. And since then, there has been new studies across a wide range of disciplines, including those conducted by my own staff within the ministries. These studies, their findings and recommendations for management will be shared with you all in today's forums. The history of beach dimmer trade in Fiji goes back to the early 1800s. The trade has also, over the years, shown a boom and bust, a production pattern with large volumes for export in the 1980s and notable decline in the 1990s, which have continued until today. Studies and data collected have shown that between 2003 and 2012, export volumes of high-value species has declined from 14 to 8% of the overall exports. Sea cucumber provide a vital source of income for fishing communities in most of the coastal areas around the Fiji Islands. At least 25 to 27 species are harvested commercially, out of which 9 species are currently listed as threatened with extinction globally by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. The main target of this fishery have been high-valued species, but these have depleted medium to low-value species have increasingly been harvested. Generally, poor harvest processing by the local communities has meant that they have not been reaping the full economic benefit of this resource. Decline in the fishery in turn affects small businesses and exporters that trade in sea cucumbers. Ecologically, sea cucumbers play a vital ecological roles in functioning of coral and soft-bottom lagoon systems. They help maintain healthy reef sediments and contribute to food chains. A recent review by the global expert Dr. Stephen Purcell, who has traveled from Southern Cross University in Australia to join us, showed that removal of too many sea cucumbers will negatively affect coral reef ecosystems and other shallow water habitat, as well as other fisheries. Given the importance of these fisheries to Fiji, overexploitation of sea cucumber using underwater breathing apparatus is a health concern in Fiji, which the government is taking very seriously. There have been an alarming frequency of serious diving accidents and fatalities in the fisheries that is too high a cost to local communities, our health system, and our wider society. Today you will learn more about the economic analysis that was conducted by the Ministry of Fisheries in partnership with SPC to assess the social and economical impact to our society. And without giving too much away, the study found that the cost to our nation annually was just over $500,000. This is in addition to the impact to the families and communities who have lost someone because of the use of UBA. In order for Fiji's sea cucumber population to remain productive and maintain healthy ecosystem while continuing to provide valuable income opportunities for local communities and businesses, new management measures are needed to reverse dwindling population to ensure long-term sustainability. The Ministry has drafted a National Sea Cucumber Management Plan in consultation with its partners and stakeholders, which is yet to be endorsed by Cabinet. The adoption of the National Sea Cucumber Management Plan is of high importance and timely for the Ministry to move forward with now. You may recall that the Ministry also last year enforced the ban on the use of underwater breathing apparatus, or UBA, which I hope will minimize casualties relating to the fishery. The Ministry continues to support applied fisheries research to improve the management of sea cucumber fishery. We rely on our partners from regional organizations like APC, the industry, non-government organizations, and academic institutions sharing their expertise and providing management recommendations. To those that will be presenting today, I acknowledge and applaud your research effort across multiple disciplines, including ecological, social, and economic research. Together, this work provides government with the information to better formulate policy and regulatory measures. Discussions from this forum could pave a way for adoption of a drafted National Sea Cucumber Management Plan by government. The representation of a wide spectrum of researchers and stakeholders present today shows your commitment in ensuring the protection and sustainable management of sea cucumber in Fiji. I also wish to acknowledge the funding donor, David and Lucille Packard Foundation, and Wildlife Society, Conservation Society, in partnership with the Ministry of Fisheries, for hosting this forum. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my best wishes in your deliberation and my sincere hope that your presentations and objective discussions will be fruitful.